When Congress amended the bankruptcy laws in the year 2005, they created what they call the means test. And basically what the means test is, given the size of your household, if it's a married couple with one child, when a tax return's filed, the government has the ability to keep up with income for all families of that household. So everything's computers now, so it's pretty easy for the government to say, okay, computer, tell us out of all of the households in Maricopa County, Arizona, where there was a married couple and one dependent, what was that middle number, meaning half of the income earners were above and half were below. And they call that the mean income. It starts around $41,000 and change for a single individual with no dependents, and then it goes up depending on the size of the family. So as long as your income has placed you in that category of being below mean, and your income has been that way for at least 6 months, that will render you eligible for Chapter 7 relief.